Hello everyone, it's Great King and welcome to my video on how to rank YouTube videos fast in a few seconds using one simple tool for free. Stay tuned. So in this video, we're going to go through 6 questions that the business owners need to ask themselves now after the COVID-19 concerns. And in a minute, I'm going to show you examples of how easy and how quick you can get onto YouTube's front page organically in less than 2 minutes. Yes, less than 2 minutes. So if you want to crush the competition, be a major player in your industry, in your local industry, stay tuned. This is pretty extraordinary. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to rank YouTube videos fast in a few seconds flat using one simple tool and doing it all for free. Yes, free. First is, how are you going to operate your business now after the COVID-19 period? And it's been shut down for so long that have you lost customers? Have you actually lost your position in the market? How long are you going to adjust for sales lost after being closed for this extended period of time? People are finicky. What we've noticed now is that people have completely changed their shopping attitude and now are going more online. And the two biggest platforms are Google and YouTube. And once again, we're going to share with you some of the meat that how you can get on the first page of YouTube within minutes. The third is, how are you going to adjust for the customer's new buying habits? As stated previously, it used to be 47% of the buying habits where people would look online and search Google, then go to YouTube and find reviews on that product, that trade, that service, and the company that they were attracted to. So that has now probably gone up to over 70% because people are still a little apprehensive to going right into the stores. Where are you going to advertise? Well, I think it's pretty obvious that the 1-2 platforms will be Google and YouTube, which are the parent companies, or Alphabet, which is the parent company of both of them. Do you need to increase your advertising budget? Well, you know what? With this 5-step plan, you can actually decrease your advertising budget substantially. And you want to crush the competition? Imagine for a second that if someone Googled your product, whether it be retail, trade, or service. And when they Googled it on YouTube, on the first page, you commanded the majority of the information on that page. How would that make your business look? Now, I've just touched the tip of this, and you can actually go a little more in depth with my ebook that's called How to Use Social Media for Business Marketing. And I'm going to put it as a bonus in the comments below. And it's a free download. Take a look at it. It goes a little more into depth of what you have to do to actually get on the first page of YouTube. And that will migrate to the first page of Google. Now, the first example, which is the meat of the meat, which is I promised the world, and this is how I'm going to deliver it. As you can see, the picture with the red arrow says how to promote business on Google. As you can see, it was 18 hours that was published. It actually was published organic, and you can actually see the 3 ads up top. They're paid ads. So the next ads are organic ads, and the first was over a year ago, the second's over 3 years ago, and the third is me at 18. And that ranked in just 18 hours. The second example is once again on first page. It ranked number 3, and that, as you can see right here, took 7 minutes. The next example, or example number 3, as you can see here, is how to advertise your business on YouTube, and that took a grand total of 4 minutes. It was organically posted. You can see the ads up top that are paid for. It ranked number 3, and it happened in just 4 minutes. Now it gets better. As the example 4 here, I have it where it actually ranked in 1 minute. So the top one is 1 year, the second one is 8 months, then the bottom one is 1 minute. Now the bonus on that is I've got the third ranking as well. So now I've got 50% of the first page. Now you can see what that can do, that kind of impact you could have with your business. The fifth example is organically posted again, first page, rank number 3, 7 minutes plus. I've got ranking 4 and I've got ranking 6. And once again, I'm starting to spread out where I've got 50% of the top 6. Example 6, ranked in 3 minutes. It ranked number 7. I've also got 3 ranked plus 5 plus 8 rankings, so I've got 50%, and now the impact of the first page is becoming almost exclusively mine. Now, the last example, and that was what I Googled was how to promote your business locally on YouTube. And you can do it with how to buy the best valued electrical equipment, or how do you have the best dental service in your area. So whatever you want to promote, you can actually promote. This works with every platform. The seventh example was organically posted, first page, ranked number 3. I ranked number 4. I ranked number 5. I ranked number 6. So the top, over 65% of the postings are mine. Now, with the few examples I just shared with you, you can now see how to rank YouTube videos fast and how you can do it in moments, be on the first page, and do it within 10 minutes in total. Now, the great thing about this is YouTube and Google are owned by the same parent company. So if you're going to be going with YouTube and ranking, it will inevitably migrate over to Google. Now, you can see by using these simple tools and steps that you can be a leader in your industry and also crush your competition. Thank you for watching my video today, and if you found it informative and of value, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. That way you won't miss any more of my future videos. Have a great day.